Alright, today we're going to play. Oh, yeah.
Dahlia, dinner's ready.
Sorry about that. Anyways, we're gonna play Animal Crossing while play game online. Why do they even have games? I hate ads. I hate ads so much. So much. Loud noise. Let's put it in full screen when we load it. Alright, here we go.
Dahlia.
Ignore all the background noise. Startup screen. Coming up. Oh, who's this? Is this a little bear? Let's start a new game. Let's just sorry if it's too glitchy.
Dahlia.
Come on. Let's see what I look like. Do I really have to have pink hair? Oh my god, it looks so cute. On one of the islands where I named myself Mitzi the villager, I got Rodeo, one of my island villagers, which you may recognize in my Halloween special, Making Villagers Cry. That video is kind of embarrassing. Oh, who's this? Kelly. I changed my tab. Alright, our island villagers are Bill, Rodeo, and Freckles. Hey, we got Rodeo again! Oh my god! Like, I'm going to cry. Yep. Let's say hi to the villagers first.
Talia, come on.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I just want to
Talia.
find Rodeo. Alright, let's check on the map.
Come on, come and eat. You can watch that out here.
I know it's pretty crappy. On the ridge.
Hey, the girl here, that purple duck,
No, I don't see her.
she's leading to that place. You know, the place that has, what's her name? The girl who runs that.
Pelly.
Hallie.
Pelly.
Hallie.
I think she's coming later. I'm really scared. I've never met that scary purple duck she just told me about. So let's look for Rodeo. Rodeo, where are you? You know what my town's called?
Here, Belgium.
Rodeo. Oh my god, I already have Rodeo on New Horizons. Oh, looky, looky. His house is. We're so close to getting to his house. I want to meet him. Because he's one of my villagers. It's okay. I think that's Bill's house. There he is! There he is!
It's a little glitchy, right?
Mm-hmm. See you later, Rodeo. You're from my island. You're from Summer. My island in New Horizons. I have 5 villagers only in New Horizons. Oh, is this Bill? He's a ducky. Bill? What's all that noise?
Like Bill Sucker.
This show might fly down, but cooler. Oh, hi, Rodeo. Chaps. Do you want to chat? Oh, my birthday?
Hey,
Don't
Rudy,
look, guys.
What's going with the big octopus one?
I do not know.
You remember what it's called?
Good. Yep. I like them both.
It won't work.
Alright, that's it for now.